Welcome to South Florida Cruisers. It's the Juice with you, and this is my 2015 Silverado. I purchased this Silverado brand new. A month after I had it, the first thing I did was put a Beltec 5.7 drop on it. I recently changed the wheels from 20s to 22s. They're off a 22 Denali. The truck has a 4.3. It is stock. I just replaced the tonneau cover with a rough country, low profile tonneau cover from American Trucks. When I put the 22s on, I had to raise it up a little bit because I'm running 285/40 22s. Right now I'm heading over to my buddy Dan Clem's house. We're getting ready to do the exhaust. That's right, baby. We're going FlowMaster. Let's do this.